So guys, I hope you like the walk around of my Explorer. Now this is another video clip just to let you know what all accessories right now I have on the bike. What all accessories have been installed and what are going to upcome on my bike. So you can stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to get all the updates from me. So right now this bike has the Explorer kit, as you have seen already. It's got the KTM knuckle guards. This has got the Zana crash guard. Yes, Zana crash guard is a straight fit on the 2019 with the Explorer. You don't need any mods, and this got enough space out here, enough gap out here. Okay, both the sides, it has got enough gaps. Okay, let me give you this view. Okay, it's got enough space. Yes, it has got the SVS Motoworld crash bobbins for the front fender, front fork. I have the Zana mobile holder or the GPS holder. A video of this will be coming out soon. I have the top rack from Zana, the top rack type 3 with the plate. I guess installation of this one video is already there on my channel, so do have a look at that. And tires I'm going to soon upgrade to Timsun. The ones that were used on flat track, possibly I'm going to use those tires. It's going to get a tire hugger. Yes, my own patent, own designed tire hugger mount with the Bajaj NS200 or the RS200 tire hugger. Probably it'll get a tail tidy from Autologue soon. It is yet to get all the badging and the tank pads, because we yet to have do a complete finish of the bike. I mean, there's going to be a polish coat, rubbing polish coat yet pending on the bike. We finished this installation on Sunday evening, and we had to click the photos of the bike before it got dark, so we had to cut short some of the work that time, and I then got the bike back home because again it was getting late for me to come back. So these are the accessories right now on the bike, and if you have any questions regarding any of the things on the bike right now, do let me know in the comments. How do you like the color of the bike, the make of the bike, how does the design come out, how does the color come out, how does the work come out? Please do let me know. There will be a full DIY installation video of the Explorer kit soon, in maybe a week or two. So yes, those questions will be answered that time. The price of the Autologue kit is right now, Explorer kit is right now for the base kit is 13,500 plus taxes. For more details, you can get in touch with them. I'll leave the link for Autologue contact in the description. Do get in touch with them. So yeah, that's it. Ending the video here. Do hit the subscribe button and do hit the bell icon and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave links to everything in the video description. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.